Yeah, I forgot to tape it. Back again, guys. This time with my buddy. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Another video with the R1M. I'm finally back to riding. I shouldn't be riding right now, but I went on that little ride yesterday, and I don't know, I was just so stoked that I could like actually ride without too much pain. So I really wanted to go on a little proper ride. That's a clean ass G63, you know, before I stop again and take another break. Just wanted to film some content for you guys and just have fun pretty much, since yesterday's ride was like just a teeny tiny ride. So riding with my buddy too, the M Duo, the S1000rr and whoa, the S1000rr and the R1M. Oh, I missed the shifts. Guess who's back? Back again. Oh, I wore these jeans and I cut them so that they're not on my knees, but I didn't think how it's gonna pretty much roll up or like push up, and now they're still on my wounds. Yeah, definitely having more wind is hurting it a little more. Ah, the things I do for riding, you guys. It's a beautiful day to be out riding. Ah, traffic. I do not miss traffic. Not one bit. Good thing we're on bikes. We can split lanes. Triple and quadruple check since I'm injured. I'm extra safe. I'm not trying to go down while I'm injured. That's just gonna mess everything up even more. I forgot to tape my little cast too, so hopefully this thing doesn't fly off. Ah man, I miss being on the road. A proper ride, not like yesterday's. Yeah, but after this I'm still gonna take it slower, not ride for another few days. I was really tempted to take the H2 out today, to be honest, but you know, I didn't want to risk it. I'm still like not 100%, so if something would have happened, you know, like tipped over or I don't know, anything, I'm not in my kind of full strength to kind of save the bike or save myself from going down. So yeah, playing it a little safe still, going with R1M. I love this baby anyways. I miss riding it a lot. Hopefully we don't get harassed by the cops today. Wow, he got cruise control and he's just showing off. I can't do it. I can't do it. I don't got cruise control. I'm not cool enough. It's funny because even my V4 didn't have cruise control. I think only the ZX10 and the S1000 are the ones, the new gens of course of both of these bikes are the ones with cruise control. See how safe I'm being? I'm not even splitting lanes. Not riding like I used to until I'm at 100% again. I'm just happy and blessed to be riding again, to be honest. Glad to be out on the streets again with the babe. Oh, I should have checked my tire pressure. Forgot to do that. Maybe we'll stop by at a gas station and check that tire pressure real quick. I'm also trying to keep my distance so I don't get shot by too many rocks from cars right on my knees, my exposed knees. You know, it'd be cool. They should add tire pressure sensors in sport bikes. I would like to know my PSI at all times. That'd be really cool. Ooh la la. Whoa, bumpy. Very bumpy. Just a little bit. Oh, missed the wind. Cutting through the wind. It's been too long. I don't like this road. It's really bumpy. Oh, I want to speed so bad, but I'm trying to control myself. Control myself. Control, control, control. Take it easy, take it easy. I'm just kidding. Okay, I'm getting smacked a lot now. I don't know by what. Are they? Okay, it's in my eye now. It's in my eye. Ow, ow, ow. What? I think it's that truck right here. Nope, never mind. Still getting smacked. Yo, this is weird. Oh, it's that stupid. No, cover your shit, dude. This stupid idiot. I was like, what am I getting smacked by? It's the sand or whatever dirt is in that stupid truck. Oh, I need gas. Great. Good job, truck. You see that stupid Prius? Yeah. It kept getting. Yeah. God damn. 4.9. 4.9. Wait, they have E85 here? I didn't know that. 2.9. Damn. Damn, man. You need to make your GTR E85 Supreme. Oh, this is hurting my wrist. Oh. Alright. Oh my god. I've never paid more than $15. And it's not even that bad. Like, I only did 3.5. It's not a full 4. Because I had a gun left. The light just came on. $18. Wow. Oh, I'm in. Like, you do this and then you start? No, I don't want to start. Like, you trying to make me crash, man? Wow, I see. You're just teasing me because I can't do that. Whoa. Just cut it all off. Make him jean shorts. Shrek ears. Yeah, just 2 nuts. I know it's hot. It's okay though, baby. You can take it. This is not a good idea. Let me not lean on this side of where my hip is broken. Oh, that guy is on wire. We're back. Yes, back to get another one. Good, how are you? I miss it. How are you? Just riding around, stopping by. Hi.
That's Lucy fur. Get it, Lucy fur?
How much is the SP kind of out the door-ish, roughly estimate?
7, so like 41 maybe.
Okay, so you have to get on a list to get an SP. Wow, there's a lot of rich people here. Pretty much. I mean, I got to experience the V4S for like 3 weeks before I crashed it.
Carbon one, right?
Yeah, it was nice. All right, let's ride. Thank you. Nice seeing you. Bye.
They should add the
It's interesting. I've never seen a weave like that.
that side.
Huh?
Like, look at the spokes. What the fuck? That is sick.
Yeah.
It's like going in.
Yeah.
Looks like a car wheel.
It's crazy. That must have been so hard to make. That's an it's a drag clutch too.
But
292 out of 500. And a Versario. All right. I'll sign out for this video.